The average age of the workers at
I wonder if I'm going to get blocked for doing this, for commenting on Jay Leno's garage show. It's probably copyrighted. I might get blocked in America, but I'm not monetizing this video. I'll put it up, see what happens. Just got the new Screencast-O-Matic app, so I'm going to give it a go, give it a test using the Logitech C922 cam and the Logitech H800 headset today, and we're going to play some poker. Should be interesting to see how good the video is on this, playing a live game, recording it. I think this is the first time yes, it is a first for me.
What is the council doing?
Well, I'm hoping to come back on Catford, which I don't really want to do right now.
Is that just for how long?
I gotta move my video to get so I can scroll.
It's been a while actually that you built this thing, huh? Was that a Coke can for the overflow?
Coke can for the overflow.
I expect plenty of comments for the Coke can.
Oh my God!
That's what I need. I need a good stand-up wheelie bar if I'm gonna get the grom going with the Zhongshan 190 engine, about 20 horsepower. I want to know how to get this to go live on my YouTube Live. How can I stream live using this kind of format? That's what I asked Leone today about. I'm trying to figure it out. If there's only a way to go live. I wanted to do a little comparison of what it's like in Taiwan for the weather when it all rains. This rarely happens, but as you can see all along the west coast here, the air is good from Taichung all the way up here to the top, Taipei, mostly green. Of course, the east side is always green. Pretty much 365 days a year, the east side will be in the green. We already know that. Now the south is usually in the green for the most part at the very tip of Kenting, but a couple days it does get there polluted. And then we got Kaohsiung. So I take it Kaohsiung is not raining today. As you can see, it's all in the orange there. Yeah, if it was raining, I'm pretty sure it would be below 100, but I guess Kaohsiung is sunny today. And so there'll be more air pollution there, because there's no rain to clean it, of course. And from about here up, it's all green. So a few areas in the south, maybe it's not raining right now, could be causing the air pollution quality to go up, the number to rise there. And that's it. So there you have it. Okay, so we're gonna open up VSDC editor, and I want to talk a little bit about VSDC. It's a free editor, and of course if you want to save and do more stuff with it, you can pay for the license to activate it. So the beginning of the video we were talking about Screencast-O-Matic, and that is actually what I'm using right now to show a little bit about VSDC editor and a little bit about some of the quick features. I'm gonna go ahead and put together all of my clips that I made earlier. Basically what I did is I went through, got through the main points, clipped them, cut them, already pre-cut about 10 clips that I'm gonna put together for my one final video here. So let's take a look. I just opened up a blank project already. So now I'm going to go in and add my first video here. I have everything on my desktop. So I believe the first clip is clip 1A. So we're going to open that up. Okay. And keep in mind when you open up a clip, whatever clip is selected down here, the next clip you open will go under it. And it gets a little tricky. A couple times I screwed up where like the second or third clip was selected, but I was already down to 9 clips, and I added a bunch of stuff and it went after the second or third clip, and it kind of got my order messed up and I couldn't really drag and drop. I for some reason I just can't get the drag and drop thing going on here. So keep in mind, pay attention at what clip you have selected, because the next clip will fall right under it. Before we do that, if we want to take out some, gotta drag my video over here. If you want to take out the sound, you can come over here to the properties right here and click on split to video and audio. So now what we have here is we got the audio from the clip and the video same time. We can select the audio, we can put in sound effects below it or music at the same time, we can cut it, shorten it, fade it in, fade it out, and so on. If we want to fade in the audio, you can come up here. I believe it's in the, where is it at? Yeah, amplitude. Okay, so you can fade in, fade out under the amplitude. Again, I'm no expert, I'm still learning as well. I got like the basics of what I want to do when I edit a video here. Alright, so we got each of them. Also, you have to have something selected for it to show up in the properties box. Okay, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to go back up to edit and undo the split for simplicity. And we can also do speed. So we're right here at speed. Right now I'm at 100%. I can speed it up for like a funny video or maybe a long drive. I can speed it up, make it go faster if it's a long, boring video that no one wants to sit through 10 minutes of driving without constant commentary. As we become more and more ADHD society, I guess, if you want to call it that. So yeah, we can also make it slower, do slow-mos, and right here with the speed. So this is important to know where to get to. This is one thing I learned. I also learned how to get into the split video and audio. Alright, so let's go back. Let's try to make this clip very quickly so that this video is not too long, because most likely I will piggyback it into the total video that I'm trying to make here with the Screencast-O-Matic and VSDC. Okay, so we got to add some more clips. So now we're going to go into desktop. What am I thinking? Okay, desktop here. Alright, so we got the intro. Where's my intro? I have two intro videos. That's, for some reason I saved it two different files. Maybe because one's an MP3. Let's go to all files. Nope, that's not going to help me out. All video files might. Okay, alright, intro first optimized. Let's try this one. Okay. Alright, so of course many people will skip my intro, but as a amateur video editor, I want to have some kind of intro, some kind of branding, I guess, to my videos, even though my intro is not the best. I hope in the future to work on better intros. Okay, and now we're going to get into the main topic. So I'm going to go ahead and add my next clip here. I believe the next clip was project 1? It was the intro. Yes, intro clip of what I'm going to do here. Alright, so we're going to open up the intro. Okay. Alright, intro clip 3. Alright, now so let's stop and see what we got so far. At any time we can click right here on preview.
The average age of the workers at
I wonder if I'm going to get blocked for doing this. For commenting on Jay Leno's garage show. It's probably copyrighted. I might get blocked in America, but I'm not monetizing this video. I'll put it up, see what happens. Okay, so we can see a preview of what's going on so far. Alright, so let's go into the next clips here. Alright, so we got the intro. Trying to remember. Oh yes, okay, so I believe this one was the next one. Let's make sure. I'll go back to the preview and I can go wherever you set this marker is where the preview starts. So I'm going to set it back a little bit and see how that flows together here. And we're going to play some poker. Should be interesting to see how good the video is on this, playing a live game, recording it. I think this is the first time yes, it is a first for me.
The average age of the workers at
I wonder if I'm going to get... Okay, so obviously something's not working. Yeah, what happened there? This should go to 106. Let's try it again. Maybe it takes a minute to load. Poker. Should be interesting to see how good the video is on... Or did it just flow so good that I didn't notice? And the Logitech H800 headset today. And we're going to play some poker. Should be interesting to see. Yes, okay, so it flew, didn't fly. It went together quite well. All right, so let's see where we're at. I believe there's a few more clips we're going to add. I test out the weather. There's a ad about, yes, this part right here, the scrolling, where I have to scroll. Okay. Oh, you know what? I forgot to set my marker. I don't want the video to appear right there, right, so the clip merges flawlessly. Okay, we're going to do clip 2. Come on, clip 2. Okay. And of course my clip, numbers are out of order. I just typed in the random number and figured out the order that I would really want it to go in later. Okay, so there's the clip 2, and then the clip 3 where I actually move my video around. Open up clip 3. Okay. All right, and then finally we're going to go to clip, the last part here. Where's my, the weather report, the car, and yeah, so we're going to do the car, the motorcycle, and then the final weather clip. Okay. All right, and then we're going to go to, oh, a little bit lagging. Again, my system is, it's all right. It should be good enough for this, running the Screencast-O-Matic screen recording app, camera, and then also the video editor. I got about 8 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, you can get more. I don't have the best processor. I have just a Pentium, newer Pentium. It's like about 2.8 gigahertz. In the future, I hope to upgrade to an iCore 7, maybe 32 gigabytes of RAM, and even a 4K video card, and that should work out. Okay, let's see here. What am I doing? I'm not supposed to be over there. I'm zoning out. Okay, got the project 1, the car clip, the weather, and then I believe I have the final clip somewhere here. Where is it called? Final end clip. Uh-oh. Did I do the end clip yet? The car is the end clip. Okay, so I screwed up. So the end clip, yeah, I can't really drag and drop it, as you see. Yeah, let's see. Maybe what I can do, I can copy the end clip, go to here, and then maybe paste it. Let's see if I can paste it over here. Yes, I would like to paste that there. Okay, so that worked out. But now I still have to move everything around. So I got to cut this one out. It's like doing open heart surgery here. Not so easy. All right, so now, yeah, and then the other thing is it's hard to get it precisely where you want it. Oh, yeah, and then it does all this kind of stuff, and then I don't even know what that's called, but I don't want it near. And in clip, okay, maybe we can make it work, but it's hard to get it precisely where you want it. And I want this, whatever this, I'm not really sure how to use this, but I just want it back. Get over there, go back where you belong from. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of a PETA. If you don't know what that means, it's a pain in the ass. So we're going to do a whole bunch of undos. undo, 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 basically until we get back to where we originally screwed up. And I don't want to click the undo button too quickly because sometimes you do too many undos, and while your computer is catching up, you undid some good progress. So be careful with the undo button, not to click it too many times. Okay, so I think you got the gist of it. I'll probably do some fine tuning. I just got a couple more clips to add here, and then ultimately I'll take this clip in and sneak it in right before the end clip, which is what I'm basically undoing right now. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bizarre, it's just so narrow. You've got this windscreen right in front of your eyes. It just feels alien, and you are sat literally on the back axle. So you can feel everything that this car's...
Okay, so yeah, my intentions wasn't to come here and just play someone else's video the whole time. I'm just testing out this new software I got, the Screencast-O-Matic. So I'm just seeing how the video and quality is, and actually I gotta focus into watching this video. I actually forgot I was recording because this is the first time I've watched this video as well, so I don't really know what's gonna happen. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end.
Of all the elaborate plans, the end of everything that stands, the end. No safety or surprise, the end. I'll never look into your eyes again. Can you